I wanted to make a short video today on a strategy, how to pass the evaluation of My Forex Funds. So let's get into it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm DD Trader, and let's go over a small strategy, how to pass the evaluation phase of My Forex Funds. Now, this strategy is not going to be technical. I'm not going to show you how to pass it by certain patterns on the chart. And how I'm going to explain it to you is with a story. So one of my followers or students, I was trying to convince him that I think that he's ready to, pay the fee and go for a funded account with the evaluation phase of My Forex Funds. So he did it. He paid $979 and he went for the evaluation phase of the $200,000 account, which is a great deal. And guys, if you're interested, check out the link below, my affiliate link for My Forex Funds. I'm always pushing them because I think that they are a superb proprietary trading firm. So he goes and he starts his evaluation, and he's doing well. He's keeping me abreast. Everything's going well. He gets really close. He's about at like 6.5%, and he has to get to 8%, right? So he gets really close, and then he has a loss. And then he's like, oh, it was so close and now I'm so far away. But the next day he gets up and trades again, and he gets even closer. And then he was like $300, $400 away with unrealized gain. And the market turned against him, and he was like $1,500 away. So what, right? It's all good. He had like 6 or 7 days left. Then the next day he lost again. And then he told me, I just traded totally different. I thought I was already there. I could actually feel passing phase one in my hand. And then I was just scared to stay in a trade because I didn't want to lose and be farther away, until eventually I lost and lost again. And then I hesitated, and then I overtraded. And then he just actually blew his account. In one day, he lost more than 5%. That was the maximum drawdown for one day. It was a hard breach, and they closed his account. And he comes back to me really pissed off about it. So he's like, do you have any advice for me? So I told him like this, okay? You need to look at this evaluation phase, not as 30 days for $979 and you're paying for 30 days to make 8%. You need to look at it as $2,741 for 90 days to try to make your 8%. What am I talking about? So My Forex Funds, they allow you to go 30 days for $979. If you happen to be positive after those 30 days, meaning you're more than, let's say, $200,000 and you didn't have any breaches, so then they'll give you a 15-day extension and even another 15-day extension. Let's say you go with those 60 days and you're not able to make it, so you have a free restart. Let's say you don't have 200,000. You got down and you were at 194 and you're out and you need to pay again. So the second time it's $881. They give you a discount. And also the third time it's the reset fee. So $979 plus $881 plus $881 is $2741. Now, it's true. It's not 8% like you start again once you do a reset. I understand that. But if it's too hard for you to be close and get all the way to the 8%. So don't look at it as 30 days. I see that might be, the killer for some people. It's just I gotta trade now because I gotta make my money in 30 days. First of all, you have the extensions, but even if not, forget that. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And you need to look at it as you got your 30 days, and if you don't do it, you'll do it again. Would you not spend $2,700 to get a $200,000 funded account? I think I would. I think that's the move. So forget the $979 and look at it as $2,700 to get a $200,000 account. And give yourself that breathing room. Give yourself that time. That is the strategy. The technical strategy, you'll figure that out. You shouldn't be going for a funded account if you don't have your technical strategy, really ready to go. Wait till you do and then go for the funded account. But the mental strategy, that's what you need. And that's gonna happen when you give yourself that breathing room. Look at it as you have unlimited time. If you don't get it this time, that's fine. That's what the randomness of the market is. And maybe this month you did make 8%, big deal. So next month you're gonna try again, and it's only gonna be $881 and you'll go for it. Or maybe you won't even have to pay. Maybe it'll just be, you know, the free restarts because you're positive, just you haven't gotten to that 8%. Give yourself a break. You don't have to make it right away. You don't have to make it in that 30 days or even the 45 or the 60. If you're positive, you could keep going and you'll do it again. And like, if you have a positive trading strategy, you'll eventually get it. I think this is so key. We put so much pressure on ourselves as traders to like be there, to be at the next level. And that's what's getting in our way. Don't have any expectations from the market. And this doesn't necessarily need to cost you so much. You know, $2,700, worst case scenario, to go 3 times to get your $200,000 is money well spent. And it could be even less if you don't have that possibility of spending it and you're positive. It doesn't need to be that much. So this is what I think, guys. This is how you have to handle it. Think long term. Think about all your trades, and then in the end, you will make that 8% and you will be a funded trader with My Forex Funds. So do it, guys. DD out.